Hi, I am Karthik Pudikil and I work as a Python backend developer and trainer at Bright Infonet. My primary role involves building and managing API, database integration, and ensure data smoothly handling behind the scenes of the applications. I enjoy to work with Python because of its simplicity and power. It helps me to write a clean and scalable code, which is crucial for web development. On daily basis, I am focusing on creating a robust API structure, optimizing performance, and make sure that backend is secure and efficient. I am always looking to improve a system and make things work smarter, not a harder. And I am excited to being a part of a team and I'm contribute to building a powerful tech solution.